Have you heard the terms firmware or software? Can you tell the difference between them? Let's find out in this video. Firmware is a piece of software that is embedded into a hardware. In other words, firmware is a code that dictates how a hardware device is going to work. This is often built on C language, and it doesn't take up a lot of memory from the device. Other languages like C++, Java, and Python can be used as well. Software refers to a set of data, instructions or programs that are used to operate a device or computer, and perform certain functions. A software guarantees that a mobile phone, laptop, tablet or smart device is able to work. Have you ever received a notification on your phone to download and install a new update? This is because it's more common to update the software of a PC or smartphone than updating the firmware. The software will allow you to manage tasks, process data, and control more aspects of your device. What's the difference between firmware and software? Firmware doesn't need constant engagement with users. It works in the background to ensure a basic performance. It doesn't necessarily need to be updated, and it's built on basic programming language. On the other hand, software can be built upon basic and complex languages. It needs updates from time to time to guarantee the performance of the device. The user interacts with the interface of the software for executing certain tasks. A device won't function or execute tasks without a system software. For instance, iOS, Android, or Windows. Software also comes as applications, and they are not crucial for the performance of a device or hardware. For example, web browsers, social media apps, or time management apps. In conclusion, software requires more complex languages, it enhances user experience, and allows to perform tasks that a hardware is intended to do. Whereas firmware is not built for enhancing user experience, and the code is more simple compared to software, it allows physical components in a computer or hardware to work correctly. We hope you liked this video. Do you want to know more about this topic? Be sure to visit our website DeepSeaDev.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content like this.